Kendra Bishop with the Bishop Real Estate Group, and I am here for a monthly market update. It is April 2021. Today I'm going to talk about market stats, what's going on in the market, what are really happening with our stats, and how our house is selling in the market. Number two, I'm going to answer our client question of the month. Should I really be looking for a house? Should I be really trying to buy right now with everything I'm hearing in the news and how crazy it is? Am I really going to get a home? Should I sell and buy? All the questions that we're hearing out there, I'm going to put to rest. And last, of course, I've got to address the house that was all over the news a couple weeks ago with 122 offers and put that to rest. Talk about what's really going on in the market, what's really happening, and unsensationalize it all. So let's break it down. Let's start with market stats. Overall, the really big theme in the market is we have no inventory. We have no homes. There are very few listings on the market. Year over year, we are down 61% in market inventory. That's a lot. With that, if you look around the entire Sacramento region on a whole, compared to March 2020 to March 2021, listings are down 61%, but our solds are actually up 10% year over year. Our pendings are up 51%. And we have just a half a month inventory. But you have to remember when we were comparing stats to last March, we had just gone into shelter in place March 13th. And so some of those stats are a little off, and we'll see them equalize as we go on throughout the next couple months of the year. One stat that's a little crazy is still over $1 million. The $1 million market is still really, really on fire. Solds are up 262%, March of 2021 over March of 20. Pendings are up 365%. Sales, homes for sale, inventory is down just 16%. We've got about 2.2 months of inventory in the over $1 million mark. So it's still a really hot seller's market there as well. Why are we seeing a little bit more inventory? We're seeing some sellers that are trying to push the market. We're seeing some sellers that are trying to list too high, or their home might not be in great condition. And those we are still seeing sitting on the market. We're still seeing those get reduced to sell in the market. So question of the month, there's no inventory. Do I buy? Do I wait? Do I wait till next year? What do I do? Here's the reality. There's a lot of homes selling on the market. We are representing first-time home buyers. We are representing buyers with VA loans. We are representing investors, move-up buyers, downsizing buyers, relocating buyers, and we are finding homes for all clients. Some are a little bit more frustrated than others with the lack of inventory, but we are finding homes on and off market, and I think it's important to hear off market. If you are relying on MLS or Zillow or Realtor.com to feed your information, you are behind the 8 ball. A lot of what we are doing in this market is working behind the scenes with other agents, with each other, directly with neighborhoods. We're mailing to owners in neighborhoods where we have clients looking to buy, and we are finding inventory before it comes to market. So it's really, really important that you're communicating with us. If you are working with us as a buyer, or you want to work with us as a buyer or seller, call us. Tell us what you're looking for. Commit to work with us so that we can really come up with a plan to find you what you are looking for in this market, because it is absolutely a possibility. Lastly, I want to talk about this offer. 122 offers on a house in Citrus Heights just a couple weeks ago. We were one of the offers. We did not get the house. What I will say is this. Everyone can look at comps and appraisals and values differently, but with 122 offers, it was definitely underpriced in this marketplace. I can tell you that in 2021, so far year to date, the average number of offers per listing is 4.5. Another really important stat to know that so far in 2021, 35% of all sales to date have sold at or below list price. So we do not have this bidding war frenzy. Do we have another 35% that have sold 1 to 5% over list price? Absolutely. Are there some homes that are definitely sought after, that we're seeing an increase of interest and activity? Absolutely. Are there homes that are selling with just one offer? Absolutely. So every home, every pocket is different. The other thing that I'm hearing a lot of is, oh my goodness, the values keep going up. They keep going up. The average price in the Sacramento Valley has gone up 22% year over year, March of 2020 to March of 2021. But remember how we talked earlier that the over $1 million home market is up 262%? Well, the amount of sales happening in the luxury space is definitely impacting the average sales price. So it's not that everyone's value has gone up 22%. Some homes have. Some homes have gone up more than that. But some homes have gone up definitely less than that. And so again, we are still in a market that is neighborhood specific, area specific, and it's really important to understand where you are and what that means. So I'm signing off for now. As always, if you've got any questions ever, any comments ever, we would love to hear from you. Text, email, call, anytime. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.